Another severe thunderstorm.
The National Weather Service in Aberdeen has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Brown County in northeastern
Now
South
it's for
Dakota,
my county.
northwestern Spink County in northeastern South Dakota,
Brown
until
County.
11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Mellette, or 19 miles north of Redfield, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60
Possible
miles per
tornado.
hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Brentford around 11:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Warner around 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Stratford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning